Benefit Betty. I want to welcome you to Rockwood Essential Benefits. I know insurance can seem overwhelming, but let's see if we can help explain your benefit package. I'll start at the beginning. The beginning of our plan year. Our plan year goes from November 1st to October 31st each plan year. This means that the benefits you elect now will remain in effect until October 31st. Deductibles and out-of-pocket spending reset each November 1st. You can make changes to your benefits each year at annual open enrollment. Open enrollment takes place in early September. During this window, you can change your benefits. Be sure to look for the Purple Benefits book each year at open enrollment time. I have to tell you about my friend Ben. He's pretty smart. He's your go-to guy when you need to elect or update your benefits. SmartBen.com is our one site that houses our enrollment information. This site updates the carriers with your information and benefit elections. This is where you will elect benefits as a new hire, make changes during open enrollment, and request benefit changes due to a life event. Your username is RSD plus your 10-digit employee ID. Your password is your 8-digit date of birth without dashes or slashes. New IRS regulations require us to ask for your dependent Social Security numbers. Please have that handy when you enroll. If you enroll your spouse, we'll need a copy of your marriage certificate. If you're enrolling your children, we'll need a copy of their birth certificates. If you have just had a baby, you can update your Social Security number and certificates as soon as you receive them. When you elect your benefits, you'll have those benefits the rest of the plan year, unless you have a life event. Life events are just like they sound, big events in your life that could impact your insurance. For example, if I got married, if I got divorced, if I had a child, or if one of my dependents gained or lost of their coverage, say through another job. I can change my benefits mid-year as long as I do so within 30 days of the event. Now let's head over to SmartBen and take a look at your benefits. Once you log in, click Begin Enrollment to get started. You'll see the 3 benefits offered with the Essential Plan: medical insurance, a healthcare FSA, and a dependent care FSA. You will need to click the benefit to update it. If you're electing benefits for the first time, you will need to click each benefit. When you're finished, make sure you've saved your elections and have reached the point where you can print your confirmation page. Now, let's take a closer look at the medical plan. If you elect the Essential Medical Plan, when you visit a provider, you will show your Cigna ID card. If you're at a pharmacy, you will show your Express Scripts ID card. On the Essential Plan, preventative care is covered at no cost to you, but for other expenses, you'll pay the full cost until you reach your deductible. The deductible is $5,000 for an individual or $10,000 for a family. After Cigna processes your claim, you will receive an EOB, or Explanation of Benefits. This will show you what the charge was, what the plan paid, and what you're responsible for paying. You will also receive a bill from the provider for the amount that you're responsible to pay. After you reach your deductible, you'll then pay coinsurance for your medical expenses and prescriptions. The coinsurance amount is 30% of the cost. You will pay this until you reach your out-of-pocket maximum. Once an individual has spent $6,850 for an individual, or a family has spent $13,700, you won't pay any further medical or pharmacy expenses. If you elect the Essential Medical Plan, you'll also pay a monthly premium to have this coverage. This amount will come out of your paycheck pre-tax. Let's take a closer look at the 2 other benefits offered. Both are types of flexible spending accounts, or FSAs. When you elect an FSA, you will make your own tax-free contributions from your paycheck to your account. With a healthcare FSA, you can use money in this account to pay for your medical expenses like prescriptions and deductible amounts. You can use your dependent FSA to pay for child daycare expenses. The key word to remember about a flexible spending account is spending. What you don't spend, you lose at the end of the plan year grace period. Be very careful when you elect your FSA that you plan the amount of expenses you will have over the course of the year. Both Cigna and Express Scripts have a website with additional resources. These sites will help you juggle your benefits. On these sites, not only can you manage claims, but you can also print off ID cards, check for providers, and check the cost of medications. Their mobile apps also serve as your ID card. You will find other helpful resources on Cigna's website, including telehealth. Have you ever been sick when your doctor's office was closed? What do you do when it's the middle of the night, or even when you get sick on vacation? As an added benefit, you have access to 24/7 virtual care with your Cigna Essential Plan coverage. Virtual care can be handy in these situations. Cigna's Telehealth Connect is a convenient and affordable way to connect with a physician virtually when and where you need it. The cost is $42 per visit before you reach your deductible. Enroll today by registering with either virtual clinic, Amwell for Cigna or MD Live for Cigna. The choice is up to you. Not only is our benefit plan there for you when you're sick, we are there to help you get and stay well. Imagine how you can participate in our wellness. You have access to fantastic wellness resources on Cigna.com. When you elect the Essential Medical Plan, get started with mycigna.com by setting up a username and password. Once logged in, you'll be able to take your first step in the wellness program by completing your personalized health assessment. When it's complete, you'll be able to check out the exciting challenges through apps and activities, online and telephonic coaching opportunities to help you lose weight, quit smoking, conquer your stress, and even manage a chronic condition like diabetes and back pain. Plus, even more features to help you be your healthiest you. We are here to grow with you on your wellness journey. With our A+ Employee Wellness, check out the monthly Wellness Word newsletter for wellness activities, challenges, recipes, and articles. It's found in the weekly district-wide 5 Things You Need to Know email. We work to bring you interesting and fun on-site exercise classes, recorded webinars, challenges, and more. Check out the Health and Wellness site on One Rockwood to find current offerings, or sign up for the Wellness Updates email to be notified. Our staff is here to help. We are located in the Administrative Center and are always just a phone call or email away. Follow us on Twitter and check One Rockwood for the latest information. Thank you for all the work you do for our students and our district.